P. The next thing to do is for we to look for the variance. The next thing to do is to look for the variance. So we come over to this side. We know that the variance of x is equal to the expected value of x squared minus the expected value of x all squared. And if we recall, we know that the expected value of x squared is equal to p, while the expected value of x is also equal to p for the characteristics function of the Bernoulli distribution. Now, our variance can now be written as the expected value of x squared can now be written as p minus p all squared. So our variance is equal to p minus p squared. Of course, we can also open this to give us p to be equal to 1 minus p. But from probability theory, we know that if q plus p is equal to 1, which implies that q is equal to 1 minus p. So we can now write the variance properly, our variance of x. Our variance of x now will be equal to p q. Therefore, our variance for the characteristics function of the Bernoulli distribution will give us PQ. So we have PQ for the variance. We also have our expected value of x squared to be P and the expected value of x to also be P. So this is how to compute or how to derive the characteristics function for the Bernoulli distribution, the expected value and the variance for the Bernoulli distribution. This is how we can compute it. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel.